Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable step, open SSMS. Make sure the SQL Server service is running. If not, start it from Services or SQL Server Configuration Manager. Next, decide which authentication you'll use, Windows for domain accounts or SQL Server authentication with a username and password, because that determines fields you fill. Once done, enter the server name exactly, hostname / instance or IP, optionally, port, and select the authentication method before clicking Connect. Now focus on authentication and establishing a stable connection. If you chose Windows authentication, SSMS uses your current credentials automatically. This avoids typing passwords and leverages domain security. If you chose SQL Server authentication, type the SA or user account and password carefully. Mistakes lock accounts after retries. For remote servers, ensure TCP/IP is enabled in SQL Configuration Manager and the firewall allows the SQL port. Otherwise, the connection will time out. Once configured, press Connect and wait for the finish by validating you're truly connected. The Object Explorer should list your server and databases, and server properties will show version and status. If you can't connect, read the SSMS error. It tells you whether it's authentication, network, or permission related. For network issues, enable TCP/IP and open the SQL port. For auth problems, reset the SQL login password or unlock the account and verify the login has connect permission. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try connecting locally on the server to isolate network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.